This is the so this is a Mitsubishi L200. So they have a problem about this one. You see, they have a air leak. So they have a check engine. So if you want to see this one, so this is the cause of the air leak. Sabi ko, kung baguhan na kayo sa channel ko, please subscribe my channel, Diggs Channel. Ito naman sabi ko, dalawang saludo, dalawang upload, you know. This is Diggs Channel. So this is a Mitsubishi L200. So they have a problem about this one. You see, they have a air leak. So they have a check engine. So if you want to see this one, so this is the cause of the air leak. So this one, if you see this one, they have a check engine. So this is the cause of the problem. So need to remove this one and also need to replace the hose. So remove this. You see? So this is the cause of the air leak. So they have a check engine, huh? So need to change the new one. So this is the new. Also change the air filter. This is the old one.
بسوون مستعجل.
كم كيلو هذا؟
1000 كيلو.
1000 كيلو؟
ايوه.
بعدين هو قال سيل هذا صح؟
ها؟
ابغى سيل اليون مونتيرو.
ما في والله ما في تلعب. في بريد.
So this one. So I need to remove this negative after 2 minutes. I will return. Now finish the time, so I will connect the battery cable. The check engine, it's already removed. So you see this one, it's already finished. So it's normal. You see? Normal. So, see? Now it's already tight. So it's already finished. So thank you very much. So this one, if you want to learn, please subscribe my channel. So this is my channel. You know.